Hey Room 4 friends, it's Miss Tori. I'm here today we're going to work on some letter sounds and we're going to work on finding things that match that letter sound and that letter name. I have a bucket of beans here for us to dig through and find the different letters that are hidden. I have 3 letters hidden today. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to my other camera and we're going to hunt for some letters. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, man. Let's see, where did I find first? Ooh, there's one letter. It's the letter H. H. The letter H makes a H sound. H. H. Let's see. One thing that starts with the letter H is honey. Let's see. Miss Tori's thinking about what she has in her room. Ooh, I have my hand clapper. My hand clapper starts with the letter H. H, H. Hand clapper. Okay? H, H, H. All right, there's our first letter. Let's switch back to the bucket and see if we can find another letter. Ooh, we found the letter P. P, P, P. This is the letter P. This says P is for pretzel. P, P, P. What could Miss Tori have around here that starts with the letter P? Ooh, I see something right over here. I have my pig. My pig starts with the letter P. P for pig. P, P, ig. Letter P. All right, let's go back to our bucket. We have one more letter to find. Stuff around. Oh, we have the letter T. T, T, T. All right, I'm gonna switch over. The letter T. Miss Tori's name starts with a T. T, T, T. Okay, let me see. I'm looking. What starts with the letter T? Ooh, I have a train whistle with a picture of a train on it. Train starts with the letter T. Let's see what it sounds like. Train whistle. T, T, T. Train. T. All right, boys and girls, let's look at what letters we found today. We found the letter T. We found the letter H. And we found the letter P. These are the 3 letters we found today. T, H, and P. All right, your assignment for this week is to find something that starts with the first letter of your name. So Miss Tori's first name starts with a T, so you're going to find something that starts with your first letter of your name. And make sure you post it to Seesaw. All right, bye guys.